Looking for the best electric bike for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 electric bike that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features and many users. And if you can't find an electric bike that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended electric bike. Number 1 on the list is SwagCycle Pro Folding Bike. This is the best electric folding bike for 2022. It has great features along with portability. The SwagCycle Pro is the bike that we tested. We love that you can charge your phone using the bike's battery. It performs great, has a comfortable speed, decent range and is light and durable. The only minor issues we had is that the wheels are really only suitable for paved roads. SwagTron is a popular choice in the electric vehicle market and is making some serious waves in the industry. They always get high marks for performance and reliability in their electric bike and hoverboard products. This SwagTron SwagCycle Pro is no different. It's another excellent product. This bike hits a top speed of 18 miles per hour thanks to its powerful 37V lithium battery and delivers 15.5 miles on a single charge. This bike's sturdy frame can support up to 264 pounds and its stem and handlebars can collapse for easy storage. It is the perfect bike for commuting and then stowing in an office closet or for packing it up and taking with you on vacation, thanks to its ability to fold up. Other features include dual disc brakes, total control using the SwagCycle 2 app, built-in cell phone charging, and a bright bike light. On board is a 250-watt motor that is one of the powerful hub motors often found in these rides. The bike is throttle only, but includes foot pegs for your optimized comfort. However, the bottom line is that anyone looking for a collapsible e-bike is going to love this little powerhouse. It's easy enough for anyone to use, is built with great attention to quality that will wow you. Of course, some daredevils prefer one wheel and the electric unicycle is for them. Second on the list is NAKTO FATTIRE bicycle. This e-bike handles sand and snow like a champ, delivering a great range and speed. NAKTO e-bikes has a very simple slogan, having fun riding for everyone. It never really resonated with me until I tried out the NAKTO FATTIRE electric bicycle. The company sells directly to consumers to keep prices low and create happy customers. Online user reviews indicate that it's a winning strategy. This FATTIRE e-bike has a high-strength carbon steel frame, premium shock absorption, and a multi-function LED digital dashboard. All features that we loved, but there's much more here. It has a weight limit of 300 pounds, a max speed of 28 mph, and a range of up to 42 miles. It also has 2 working modes: assisted bicycle and e-bike for using the pedal assist or speed throttle, but a combination of both is better. The 500-watt brushless motor drive system makes it a powerhouse that performs great on snow, sand, and other off-road conditions. This model has a removable and waterproof 48V lithium water bottle battery that offers a recharge cycle of over 1,000 times. Rounding it all out are the dual disc brakes, front headlight, LCD display and horn. It also has high-quality Shimano 6-speed gears that give an awesome drive. It uses 3 modes: pedal, twist throttle, and power assisted. Whether climbing the steep streets of San Francisco or biking along the beach, this FATTIRE e-bike has the power and the mileage to get you to your destination. It offers a smooth ride thanks to an amazing suspension. The brakes on our model were a little screechy at times, but honestly, that's very minor. There's a lot to love here. Work or play, this e-bike will put a smile on your face. Want an extra wheel? The best adult tricycle is worth the look. Number 3 on the list is ECOTRIC 203 FATTIRE folding bike. This is the best FATTIRE folding bike. There's a lot to love about this vehicle. If you're looking for a folding e-bike that can fold up for travel or storage, look no further than the ECOTRIC 203 FATTIRE folding electric bike. This tough customer will handle anything you can throw at it. A sheer pleasure to ride, this model has nice heavy-duty tires and a rear hub motor with 500 W of power. Sure, there are e-bikes that go faster, but the extra power here is what helps it tackle off-road conditions and support riders that weigh up to 260 pounds. It also has a nice feature list that includes a 36V battery, front and rear disc brakes, aluminum frame, variable speed controlled, of a half-twist throttle, Shimano 7-speed gear and a charging time of 6 to 8 hours. This model has 203 front and rear wheels. We found the LED 810 display panel to be easy to read with a nice layout, and as for the ride itself, it's a very comfortable one that handles all terrain. Twigs, sticks, thick grass, snow, or sand won't stop this bad boy. It should have a rear light for safety, but having said that, we just fell in love with the experience of the ride. So much so that it is our best fat tire folding bike. We love our vehicles around here. Number 4 on the list is ECOTRIC FATTIRE 500W bike. This is a very capable mountain bike that just about anyone can ride and enjoy. It has great back and front suspension, a smooth ride, and amazing tires that grip everything. The charge time and the battery's odd position on the frame are our only gripes, but those things aside, you can't argue with the power and quality of this fat electric bike. It makes a heck of a beach cruiser. You'll love everything from the front hub to the back hub. A powerful and durable electric fat tire mountain bike that doesn't disappoint. The ECOTRIC FATTIRE 500W electric mountain bike is another e-bike made for adventuring over rough terrain, and it does a great job. That powerful motor and 36V battery give it amazing performance off-road. It has a pedal assist and a throttle-only mode that lets you reach a top speed of 23 miles per hour easily. It delivers a range of 20 miles on a full charge. And since it has a weight limit of 260 pounds, even large riders can get off-road. The Shimano 7-gear shifting SwagCycle art makes it a breeze to ride, even if the battery dies. ECOTRIC has some added safety in this model since the brakes have motor inhibitors that cut the power supply to the motor when you press the brakes, which is great for emergency situations. Remember to use the best bike lock to prevent someone from stealing your cool bike. Number 5 on the list is SwagCycle ED5 Pro bike. SwagTron is a company known for producing quality electric personal transportation device. I can confidently say that the SwagCycle ED5 Pro lives up to their quality standards. This is a great little bike for tooling back and forth around your campus or any other situation where you have to go to and fro a lot. With a comfortable speed of 15 mph and a weight limit of 265 pounds, this is a reliable bike for beginners of almost any size. It has a range of 15.5 miles. Not the furthest, but a great range for new riders. It boasts of 250W motor, 36V Li-ion battery, dual disc brakes, a USB charging port, headlight, and a safety bell and reflectors. You can choose from 2 modes when riding, throttle and pedal assist. SwagTron delivers on durability here too. This e-bike will stand up to some abuse and be with you for years. And instead of leaving your valuable cargo locked out on the streets, you can easily tuck it under your desk or in any compact space by simply collapsing its stem, bending its frame, and folding its pedals. It's a solid performer with some great features. We like that the battery indicator by the throttle stands out so that you always know how much charge you have. On just one charge, this hybrid e-bike can go up to 15.5 miles, but more distance can be covered by pedaling in between. There's also an option to attach a cargo rack that is sold separately to enable you to carry your bags, books, groceries, or any cargo you may need to transport. This vehicle is great for anyone, but new riders will really appreciate the design and performance. Electric bikes are a great stepping stone toward the best motorcycles. Just now is a list of 5 best electric bike that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.